Hi friends, welcome to Model Maths Naira sir. Permutations, combinations, intermediate second year mathematics 2A, 7th part, 4 marks questions we are learning. So 6 parts are completed. The 7th part, 4 marks questions, 22nd onwards. That is 22nd is simplify 34C5 plus summation r equal 0 to 4, 38 minus r C4. Okay. For these problems, already I have told you in the previous part 6, we proved a formula. That formula is what? N plus 1, sorry, NCR plus NCR minus 1 plus NCR. Okay, if both N's are same, the R minus 1 is less, 1 is greater, then we can take greater R and above N plus 1. So that formula we proved in the previous 21st question in the previous part. So now we are using that formula. So take the question. What is that? 34C5 plus summation r equal 0 to 4, 38 minus r C4. So which is equal? 34C5 means we can write as it is 34C5. Summation r equal to 4 means summation means sum of the terms. From where what are the terms? One is at r equal to 0, one is at r equal to 1, one is at r equal to 2, one is at r equal to 3, r equal to 4. So 5 terms we can write. One is 38 minus 0 C4 plus 38 minus 1 C4 plus 38 minus 2 C4 plus 38 minus 3 C4 plus 38 minus 4 C4. Right? R equal to 0, R equal to 1, R equal to 2, R equal to 3, R equal to 4. Summation means plus. So then next to 34C5 plus 38 minus 0 means 38C4 and 38 minus 1 means 37C4. Next 36C4. Yes? Tell me? Yeah, very good. 35C4. Next 34C4. So these are the terms. Okay? So next to this 34C5 I am writing at the last term. Okay, no need to last. Yeah, 34C5 I am writing last side. So this 34C5, first one is what? 34C4 and plus, okay, this one I am writing 38C4 plus 37C4 plus 36C4. What is formula? Yeah. Next 35C4 plus 34C4 plus this 34C5 I am writing here 35C5. See, using these two, which formula we can apply? NCR minus 1. C4 means, if this is NCR, think it, this is NCR, 34C4. NCR, N means 34, R means 4. This is NCR minus 1. Sorry, this is 5. 34C5 has to be with that. Now NCR 34C5, this is NCR minus 1, that's why it is 5, it is 4. So we use this formula which is equal to N plus 1 CR. So N plus 1 means 34 plus 1 becomes what? 35. See, R we have to write. Instead of R minus 1 R we should write. R means what? 5. Okay, from this we got this term. Next to this term as this. What is this term? 35C4 as this. This 36C4 as this. This 37C4 as this. This 38C4 as this. So now same process. Now think about these two terms. NCR minus 1. In both N is same. This is decreased. So 35 plus 1 becomes what? 36. See, R minus 1 R. So 5 we can take. So from these two we can write this one. And this is as this. 36C4 plus this 37C4 as this 38C4 as this. Now look in the same process. From these two, NCR minus 1, both are 36. So we can write 36 plus 1, 37C5 and the remaining is 37C4. Next before that 38C4. So which is equal, next to last two 38C4 as this From these two, MCR, NCR minus 1. 37 plus 1, 38C. R minus 1 R is 5. So now from these two, 39C 5. This is the answer. That's it. Okay. Sometimes it may ask to prove that so answer is equal to 39C5. That also same thing. Is it clear? We must write the formula aside since the formula is MCR minus 1 plus MCR equal to N plus 1 CR. Using that formula, we can find the solution. Is it clear? Okay. Next, 23rd question. Prove that n minus 3 CR plus 3 into n minus 3 CR minus 1 plus 3 into n minus 3 CR minus 2 plus n minus 3 CR is equal to MCR. So take left hand side, that is n minus 3 CR plus 3 into n minus 3 CR minus 1 plus 3 into n minus 3 CR minus 2 plus n minus 3 CR. This is the left hand term. See, this n same, but here r minus 1. You can apply MCR minus 1 formula, but here 3 is there. So 3 terms are there. These are 3 terms are there. These also 3 terms are there. This is only one term. This is only one term. So I am splitting it as n minus 3 CR, one term. From these 3 terms, I am taking one term, that is n minus 3 CR minus 1. And what about remaining 2 terms are there? So the remaining 2 into n minus 3 CR minus 1. Okay? 3 into n minus 3 CR minus 1 means these n minus 3 CR minus 1 terms 3 are there. So I have split it as one term and 2 terms. This is also like same 2 terms means 2 into n minus 3 CR minus 2 plus 1 into n minus 3 CR minus 2. Okay? 2 terms and 1 term. And plus n minus 3 CR as it is written. N minus 3 CR. Is it CR? Sorry, n minus 3 CR minus 3. This is R minus 3. So now, see from the first 2 terms, form of NCR minus 1. So we can write n plus 1 C R minus 1 is R. Okay? Something difficult to understand for you, but try it. NCR, n means n minus 3. NCR minus 1, n means n minus 3 1. So we get formula is n plus 1 CR. What is the formula? NCR plus NCR minus 1. NCR minus 1 plus NCR equal to n plus 1 CR. This is the formula. NCR minus 1 plus NCR equal to n plus 1 CR. So based on that, simply we should think if both are same, one is greater than, one is smaller, then the formula is the same. We can add 1. In this both two, which is greater value, small r is greater. Similarly, here both are same, so we can write plus 1 addition and C R minus 1, which is bigger, R is bigger. That's it. Plus see in this, which is we can take common, 2 we can take common, 2 we can take common into same n minus 3 CR minus 1 plus n minus 3 CR minus 1. Okay, here also same, this is same. So n minus 3 plus 1 C. In this 2, which is bigger, R minus 2 or R minus 3? R minus 3 is big, very good. Okay, then see n minus 3 plus 1 is what? N minus 2 CR plus 2 into, this is same terms. So we get n minus 3 plus 1 C R minus 1 R minus 2, which is big, R minus 1 is big, plus n minus 3 plus 1 means n minus 2 C R minus 2. Again simplify this, which is equal to n minus 2 CR plus 2 into n minus 2 CR minus 1 plus n minus 2 CR minus 2. See again these is 2 terms are there. So the next two I am going to split it. Here I am doing. Next steps are first. First one is n plus 2 CR plus 2 n minus 2 CR minus 1 can be written as n minus 2 CR minus 1 plus n minus 2 CR minus 1. And then what is the last term? N minus 2 CR minus 2 is the last term. Now see from first two and the next two, observe, these are same, n minus 2, n minus 2. So we can write n minus 2 plus 1c, r and r minus 1 which is big, r is big. And from next to last two, same n minus 2, n minus 2. So we can write n minus 2 plus 1c, r minus 1, r minus 2 which is big, r minus 1. What is n minus 2 plus 1 means what? N minus 1c r. N minus 2 plus 1 means what? N minus 1c r minus 1. So both are same now. So we can write n minus 1 plus 1c, r and r minus 1, r is big. Plus 1 minus 1 cancel equal ncr. Got it RHS? LHS equal to RHS. Hence proof. Okay? This is the 23rd question. I just used ncr minus 1 plus ncr equal LHS 1cr law. How to remember that one? How to apply? The same terms are there. Then adding plus 1 and c. And in that here, which is big? R is big. R right now. Here also n minus 3 and minus 3 same terms are there. So add n minus 3 plus 1 add and c in r minus 2 r minus 3 which is big, r minus 2 is big. So write r minus 2. Okay, and simplify we can get in the result. Just we use that formula only. Okay, shall we go to next? Okay. Next 24th problem. Okay. And next 25. Up to 25 we can complete this chapter. Let n comma r be positive integers and 1 less than or equal to or less than n, then show that npr is equal n minus 1 pr plus r into n minus 1 pr minus 1. So take RHS. What is RHS? N minus 1 pr plus n minus 1 pr minus 1. Actually, what is npr formula? LHS term. npr formula what? N factorial by n minus r factorial. Simply, this is permutations. So here, npr means n factorial, means n minus 1 factorial by n minus r factorial, means n minus 1 minus r factorial, plus r into same. Here also we can write n minus 1 factorial by n minus 1 minus r means what? R minus 1 factorial. So simplify this. N minus 1 factorial by, we can write n minus r minus 1 factorial in orderly into r into n minus 1 factorial by, see here simplify this n minus 1 minus into r minus into minus plus 1 factorial, see plus 1 minus 1 cancel. So here n minus r is remaining, n minus r is remaining. So n minus 1 factorial by n minus r minus 1 factorial plus r into n minus 1 factorial by, we get n minus r factorial. So now we can expand this n minus r factorial like in the way which is equal n minus 1 factorial by n minus r minus 1 factorial plus r into n minus 1 factorial by, see n minus r factorial can be written as n minus r into n minus r minus 1 factorial. Sorry, is it right? Same, suppose 5 factorial is there, can be written as 5 into some 4 factorial, like that. So in both terms what is common? In the numerator n minus 1 factorial is common, then 1 by plus 1 by. In the denominator n minus r minus 1 factorial is remaining. So here we get only 1 by 1. Here we get r by n minus r and do cross multiplication. So n minus 1 factorial by n minus r minus 1 factorial into n minus r into 1 n minus r and 1 into plus r by 1 into n minus r n minus r. So plus r minus r cancel. So now n into n minus 1 factorial. We got it, n into n minus 1 factorial by n minus r into n minus r minus 1 factorial. See, n into n minus means we can write n factorial by n minus r into n minus r minus 1 n minus r factorial. So what do you mean by n factorial by n minus r factorial? That is formula of NPR. So which is equal to NPR. So LHS is equal to RHS. Hence proof. This is the solution. Take RHS and simplify according to the formula. Take common, we get our LHS. Okay, last question in this chapter. Prove that 4n C2n by 2n Cn is equal 1 into 3 into 5 into so and so 4n minus 1 by 1 into 3 into 5 so and so 2n minus 1 whole square. Okay, this is a very important problem, very important problem. So this was asked in the previous question papers many times, several times it was asked. So take LHS, that is 4nc 2n by 2nc n. So which is equal 4nc 2n means what? NCR formula. NCR formula. What is NCR formula? NCR formula. Very good. N factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial. This is NCR formula. Using that 4ncn. 4n factorial by 4n minus r. Sorry. 4n minus 2n factorial into 2n factorial. So put in bracket. Next 2ncn means what? Same. 2n factorial by 2n minus n factorial into n factorial. So which is equal 4n factorial by 4n minus 2n factorial means 2n factorial. So 2n factorial into 2n factorial. See, the denominator is also a fraction. So we can write the reciprocal of denominator. What is the denominator reciprocal? 2n minus n factorial into n factorial by 2n factorial. Okay, don't cancel. Okay, 4n factorial means what? Yes. So which is equal 4n factorial by 2n factorial into 2n factorial. So we can write your 2n factorial whole square into n factorial into n factorial. N factorial whole square by 2n factorial. 2n factorial. Simplifying this, you can get RHS. 4n factorial means what? 4n factorial means 4n into 4n minus 1 into 4n minus 2 into so and so. Some 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 by 2n factorial whole square. So 2n factorial means what? 2n into 2n minus 1 into 2n minus 2 into so and so 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Each and every term end with 1 finally. 4 into 3 into 1. It has a square into so n factorial whole square. Keep it as it is. Don't do anything. Don't touch this term. Okay, you can cancel easily. So which is equal? See in this, what are the even terms? 4n minus 2, 4, 2. So I am writing even terms 4n minus 2 dash 4 into 2. And what are the odd terms? 4n minus 1 into next will be 4n minus 3 into so and so 3 into 1, 3 into 1. Am I right? I splitted even terms and odd terms. Similarly, in the denominator also, what are the even terms? 2n minus 2, 2n into 2n minus 2 into so and so 4 into 2, 4 into 2. And what are the odd terms? 2n minus 1 into next will be 2n minus 3 into so and so 3 into 1. And it has whole square. So both terms getting square. Okay, na? For every term square. So which is into n factorial square by 2n factorial. So don't change this term. Then next, this is the last problem, which is equal. See, in each and every even term, you can take 2 is common. So take out 2 common, we get 2n. In this take 2 common, we get 2 into 2n minus 1. And so on. So in this take 2 common, 2 into 2. Next to into we can take common 2 into 1. Okay, right? In 4n, 2 common. In 4n minus 2, 2 common. In 4, 2 common. In 2 also, 2 common. And what about the remaining terms? So don't need to change those terms because of already we got it 1 into 3 into next to 5 into so and so 4n minus 2, 4n minus 1. Got it numerator. And denominator, this term also don't change. Got it this term. Just write ascending order. First 1, next to 3, next will be 5, next so and so 4n minus 3, 4n minus 1. So this we got it. So keep it, but don't change it. By here also 2 common, 2 common, 2 common, 2 common. Every term take 2 common. Then n is remaining. Take 2 common. Then n minus 1 is remaining. So and so take 2 common. 2 is remaining. Take 2 common. 1 is remaining. And whole square means 4 square. And here also order ascending order. 1 into 3 into next will be 5 into 2n minus 1 whole square because of whole square. And into this one as to be write down n factorial square by 2n factorial. Okay. So which is equal? See how many 2's are there? 2 into 1, 2 into 2 means 1, 2. This is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 2n minus 1. 2n terms are there. 2's. 2n terms are there. So 2 are 2n terms. So 2 into 2 into 2n. 2n times means 2 power 2n. See, for example, 2 into 5 times is there. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Then what we can write? 2 power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 power 5 we can write. Similarly here, 2's are 2n terms are there. Okay, what I am saying, 2 into 1 means this one term, 2 into 2 means this second term, 2 into 3 is third term, like 2n minus 1 term, like 2n term. So 2's are 2n terms are there. Simply 2 power 2n. Then remaining into 2n, 2n minus 1, 2n minus 3, so and so 2 into 1. By here also 2, 2, 2, 2. How many terms? 1, 2, n minus 1, n. N terms are there. So 2 power n terms are there. And remaining n into n minus 1 into so and so 2 into 1. 2 into 1. And it has a whole square means whole square. Completed. I am just removing this. Next, this is one. Keep it as is. That is the answer. 1 into 3 into 5 into so and so 4n minus 1 by. The denominator also keep as is. 1 into 3 into 5 into so and so 2n minus 1 whole square into n factorial whole square by 2n factorial. Okay. So now see what about this 2n into 2n minus 1 into so and so 2 into 1 means it is nothing but a 2n factorial. So which is equal 2 power 2n as it is. This is taken as 2n factorial into 1 into 3 into 5 into so and so 4n minus 1 by 2 power n whole square. So 2 power n into 2 power n. 2 power n whole square means 2 power n into 2 power n. Bases are same. Powers can be added. N plus n 2n. So we get 2 power 2n. I am getting 2 power n into 2 power 2n. And what about this n into n minus 1 inverse? That is taken as n factorial. And square is there square into what is this remaining 1 into 3 into 5 so and so 2n minus 1 whole square as usually. Next to n factorial whole square by 2n factorial also as this. So n factorial whole square, n factorial whole square cancel. Next 2n factorial, 2n factorial cancel. Next 2 power n, 2 power n cancel. What is remaining? The remaining will be RHS. Is it clear? So next I am continuing here. I am reviewing question. So which is equal LHS. Okay now. This is LHS. This is equal what are the remaining? 1 into 3 into 5 into so and so 4n minus 1 by 1 into 3 into 5 into so and so 2n minus 1 whole square. That's it. Which is called RHS. Once you see the question, check it. What is RHS? Yes. Hence proved. Hence proved. Okay friends. If you have any doubts, please watch this class again. Okay now. You can watch, you can play the YouTube slowly or fastly. In YouTube settings, once go to YouTube settings, click 3 dots. In 3 dots, play fix. Click the play button. Then you can see in which speed we want. Through that, you can watch either speed or slow. We can reduce or we can increase the speed. Settings are there. So once you try in that way, because of whenever you feel my class is fast, you can get a slow class also. Okay, that is another thing. So this is 25 4 marks questions in this combinations. If you 25 lakh, we can easily get 2 4 marks questions. 2 4 8 marks. and 2 marks also completed. So totally 12 marks from these permutations and combinations. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for following my videos. And also, still now, if you do not yet subscribe, please subscribe and click bell button. Share with your friends.